everybody, this is Jen from Garden Jen's Journey. Just doing a quick update. This is the last day in February 2018. You would not believe it's February right here in Michigan. I think the high right now is like 50. As you can see, I have like no snow or anything at all. I'm actually in a t-shirt. That's Michigan for you. Anyways, quick update. You can see that most of my garden beds have been torn out, and the chickens have been doing a great job of doing their digging and scratching and working the soil and getting all those bugs aerating and everything. I've had to put up chicken wire around my potato beds because they were getting in there and uncovering my potatoes. I didn't want that. I do have a couple plants that I'm going to need to transplant, like this rosemary here and some other things. But I got my cattle panel tunnel going on here. I got one more cattle panel that's going to go right here. And then there's going to be more over on this side when I get them in. We got this bed all redone with the new bed there. And on that pole there is my plat map about where I'm going to be planting all my beds and stuff. And so that's what we're doing today. It's a beautiful day. I pulled out all my my row covers and the rebar, and we'll place those in the new beds there. So, and then my chickens are over here doing their thing. Some don't get along, but yep, they're doing their thing. So that's what's going on here. I hope you guys are having a great time getting ready for your gardening adventure this year. Until next time, this is Jen with Garden Jen's Journey. Bye-bye.